Hello, how are you? Right now I will demonstrate my game I built. So this is the game itself. Let's play, hit play and wait a little bit. So let's maximize this in order to see the full. So you can control the game by the bows A, W, S, D, and also with the arrows. So as you can see we have uh, enemies, so when they are not us they start to shoot at us, and when we are going a little bit how can I say more down, they will follow us. It is AI behavior. So as you all can see, this all can do the same things. As they are protecting their area, they will go in some way, and when we go to there they will start to follow us and shoot at us. So yeah, this is the how it is demonstrated. let's go far away, and they will start to follow you and shoot at you. Yes, so let's minimize it. And so this is the code how I did this behavior. So this is the agent. This is the Navmesh agent, which is the Unity AI, and player is like the controller, and they will follow this. So all the code below is help us to do this functionality and get this result. So thank you so much for your attention.